Hi, this video is for adding products to a Divi website using Woocommerce. So before you begin, you need to make sure that you have the Woocommerce plugin enabled. If you do not, go to Add New on Plugins and search for Woocommerce. And this is it right here. I've already have it activated, so we're going to keep going with what we got here. In the back end of your website in your dashboard, you're going to notice two new options, one for Woocommerce, one for products. Woocommerce has a lot of the settings for the entire e-commerce platform, and products is more geared to specific items. Products is a lot easy. I'm not really sure what I was going to say there, but to add a product, you go to products and hit add new, right? And then the title I'm going to grab straight from my client, finding a good fit on the first try. Alright. And then I'm going to go ahead and download that, and I will show you how to connect the ebook on the back end. Okay, so for the product description, let's see if finding the ultimate guide. Oh, she already made the title for me. Okay, so I'll just use hers. And then here we have the description she's written for me. What college you will look and feel confident in refuge, 18 pages. Okay, let's put that here, and then let's scroll down. So we've got the title, the description. That's all we filled out right now. I'm going to keep scrolling down. Yoast, we're not going to deal with that right now. And right here where it says product data, I want to make it a simple product out of these options. That's the default. And then I want to hit virtual and downloadable. I'm doing virtual because this is an ebook. It does not have a shipping. It's literally a virtual item. And then downloadable because it is a downloadable asset. There's a PDF involved, and that's what the download they want to get. So my client has told me that the price they want to put this at is 15. So we're going to put 15. There is no sale price. Sale would be like if you did mark this item for sale, what price would you want it to be? So I might put like $10 or something right there. But for now, we're just going to roll with 15 with no sale price. Something I'm noticing here is that the dollars is in pounds, or EU currency, and I need it in USD. So I'll fix that at a later time. But let's add the, oh goodness, let's choose a file. And I'm going to drag that file I downloaded from my client, and I'm just going to drop it into the image gallery. That'll work fine on WordPress. Then you want to go right here, copy the URL to clipboard, insert file URL, and for the file title name, I'm going to name it this without the colon and the other stuff. Download limit, leave blank for unlimited re-downloads. Yes, we want to be able to download, and then there is no expiry for downloading. This is really important if you want to set time or gated content right here. That's a great options. All right, let's see inventory. There is no inventory for this because it is a virtual product. We're never going to run out. Attributes is only important if you're doing a variable product. Advanced, enable reviews. We're going to disable reviews right now because we won't have any to begin with. And if people want to leave reviews, then we can re-enable it, because you don't want to enable something and have 0, right? You always want to show some content. So if you have 0 reviews, go ahead and disable that. If you're expecting a lot of e-commerce, then I might enable that if you have a new product, but for general purposes, you want to disable that. Okay, so that does it for our basic information, but here on the right, we need to do a few more things. Okay, number one, we need to categorize this product. So this site doesn't have a very large e-commerce. This is the very first product, but there is going to be a different type. So I'm going to go ahead and create a category for this and call it ebook. And we'll just add that one. And then I'm going to add a category that's called, what are they called? Sounds. It's like an MP3 file of I don't know what to call it. We'll call it sounds for now. My client may want to change that, but it's okay. In general, I like to do what I think's right, and if the client says that they don't want that or that I did it wrong, that's when I go change that. Okay. So we just want ebook on this product. Let's go to product image. This is a very important one. And I'm going to go grab the ebook image PDF. Oh, she put this in PDF too. Okay, so I'm going to need this in a... I need this in a better image quality, so I'm going to ask my client for that. But just like I said, I like to go ahead and do things before I rely on my client, right? So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to make this an image itself. Save. We'll call it ebook. Alright. Wait, let me make sure I save that in a place I can get to it. Yeah. I'm so confused with my, yeah. Okay, so here I'm going to upload files, and this is back in the product images, and we're going to go for desktop, ebook, bam. Okay, I want to set that as my main product image. Now, we're going to have to clean that up, right? It doesn't look too great in this preview over here, but something I love to do for e-commerce specifically is add product gallery images. So this is your main image, right? When the person clicks on the product page, that's what they see. But I always like to have gallery images so that people can browse other images that may be related or important about this product. My client doesn't have any of those, but it's a great idea for you to add some for yourself. Okay? And finally, we're going to hit publish. And we have our very first product built in WooCommerce for a Divi theme.